Okay, let's have a look at the last question, finally. Congratulations, everyone. You are there. So the last question, this is Mastery class. Extensive challenge question number 2. Right. Apologize for my terrible handwriting. So the following table shows the first 3 rows of a table which has 5 columns. The values of all the entries on a particular row are the same, but they are expressed in different forms. So row 1, we have 1 cubed, and then 1, 1, 1 squared, 1 squared. And then row 2 is becoming different. We have 1 cubed plus 2 cubed, and then 1 plus 8, and then 9, and then 30, and then 3 squared, and then 1 plus 2 squared. And then row 3, we have 1 cubed plus 2 cubed plus 3 cubed. And then column 2, we have 1 plus 8 plus 27. Column 3, we have 36. Column 4, we have 6 squared. Column 5, we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 altogether squared. So let's summarize the pattern for each column. So for the first column, we want cubic sum. Okay, so meaning we take the sum, we take the cubic of 1, 2, 3 of consecutive numbers all the way to the row number. So for the fourth row, we will do 1 cubed plus 2 cubed plus 3 cubed plus 4 cubed. We stop here because it's row number 4, so we want 4 terms. Okay, that is the first row. And then for the second row, we're just actually writing this. Instead of cubes, we're writing the actual number. Yeah, 1 cubed is 1, 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27. Yeah, we just calculate them. So for the fifth row, for this blank over here, what we want, so what we have in the first column is 1 cubed plus 2 cubed plus 3 cubed plus 4 cubed plus 5 cubed. And then if we write it in the second column, if we calculate them, it will be 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 4 cubed is 64, and then plus 5 cubed, 125. And then let's keep going. So for the third column, we have 1, 9, 36. So you see, we're just adding them. The 1 plus 8, find the sum. 1 plus 8 plus 27, find the sum. So for the last one, for the row 6, it's just we find whatever is over here and we find the sum. Okay, so we have 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64 plus 125 plus 6 cubed, which is 216. Yeah. Hang on, just let me check. Yeah, 36 times. Yeah, so 216, and then we find the sum. Or there's an easier way to get what's over here, to get the sum. Instead of finding the sum of the second column, okay, there's an easier way. So let's look at column number 4 first. So for column number 4, we have 1 squared, 3 squared, and then 6 squared. It doesn't make any sense. We have 1, 3, 6. So by looking at it, we don't have the pattern. Well, we can have the pattern, but we're not sure. Yeah, 1 to 3, we're adding 2. 3 to 6, we're adding 3. So it can be we're adding 4 to get the blank over here, but we're not sure. But we can be sure when we're looking at the last column. So 1 squared, and then 1 plus 2 squared, 1 plus 2 plus 3 squared. So this is similar to what we have with the first column. Yeah. So for the fourth row, last column, we should have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Bracket squared. And then for the fifth row, we will have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 squared. Okay. And that tells us that this blank over here should be, so remember I said whenever you see 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, you can confidently shout out without any hesitation, without any thinking process, that it's 10. So it's 10 squared over here. All right. So for the last row, last column, in this box, we will have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 squared, which will be 10 plus 11, so 21 squared. Okay, so instead of calculating finding the sum of this big chunk, we can simply calculate 21 squared, which is simpler and more elegant. and you should get the correct answer, 441. Okay, that is this question.